So, guys, in the previous video, you remember we struggled. Um, and a couple weeks later, we are back. So, first things first. I have the thing here, the list here. So, the last time we had the service kit on, it was 1,142 rand 55 cents, and then the Black Sim degreaser is like $50. This is everything else that I got. So I got the gasket cover for like 200. Oh, I forgot to write that. 4 right there. 204 rand. And then we have the gasket maker for 92 rand and 91 cents. And then the D6 transmission fluid. I got it for transmission fluid. I got it for 207. What the hell am I writing here? Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. I know my handwriting is bad. 207 rand 51 cents. And then tube seals. We finally got them. Finally got them. Shout out to the guys out in the Val. Yeah, I got it for like 989 bucks. So yeah, let me show you everything we got, everything we have. This is the transmission fluid. This is the package that came in, man. Shout out to courier guy. Shout out to them. And then the gasket maker, obviously. Yeah, the gasket. Black Sim degreaser. We have our 4 NGK spark plugs. And then I got something else. Plate holders, sorry. Got the plate holders. So yeah, it's gonna be an epic journey. Shout out. Let's go. So guys, in this video we're gonna be fitting the new oil what is this? The new tube seals that we got. Shout out to HMG Motors out in the Val. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Moses. He's the guy who helped me out a lot. So shout out to him. So these are the old ones. Let's just see if they compare with the new one. Same size. This one is perfect. This one not so good. Oh. Get in. Yes. As you guys can see, the seals are on. So, let me just close everything up and then we can get to other things that we have to do on the car. More work. Let's go. Oh, guys, we have a problem here. We have a problem. Shout out to my friend. Shout out, shout out. I'm gonna show you the owner of that car. So we have a problem. This car doesn't want to start. The battery is dead. So it's been on for a few minutes, about 20-30 minutes. So I'm just gonna take it to battery center and hopefully we can get that sorted out. Danko. Guys, we're back at it again with another one. So now I'm just gonna be washing the car. So I ran out of memory. Sorry, so I couldn't film everything. I already put in the oil filters, no, the air filter. Sorry, transmission fluid, all the other stuff, right? So I'm just gonna give it a quick wash, and I want to test it out. I want to drive it. I'm going about like I'm going to a distance of about like 120 something kilometers. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So the car's holding up fine. temperature fine, no problems whatsoever. I'm on my way to Bloemfontein right now from Valco, and it's driving really well. It's driving really well. Let me just turn off the aircon. Sorry about that. It is driving really well. Yeah, I think might be early to say this, but I think this car is ready for some modifications now. Certain mods that I wanted, that I've always wanted to do, but firstly, I had to deal with the mechanical issues first. So other than that, everything looks fine. Everything is good. We are cruising. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Like, comment, share your thoughts, subscribe, and yeah. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Danke auch.